Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be making this easy and simple mac and cheese. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's get started. So I'm putting on some water and I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of salt to taste, and I'm adding 2 bags of macaroni. And guys, I'm putting in my macaroni in warm water, not cold water, and I'm gonna stir the pot. Right, so now I'm gonna drain my macaroni and I'm just gonna run some tap water over to prevent it from further cooking, and I'm just gonna let it sit there and drain. Here I'm going to melt half stick of butter, and then I'm gonna add in about 8 tablespoons of flour to basically start the base of my sauce. So we're creating the base for our sauce, okay guys? And you want your base to be thick, or like this. I mean, this is okay. So now I'm going to add in about 1.5 cup of low fat milk. You can use skim milk, that's fine. And we're just gonna whisk, and we just want our sauce to be smooth, okay guys? So whisk and whisk and whisk away. So now we'll be adding our cheese. Now I'm adding my cheddar cheese, and this is shredded cheddar cheese I got from the store, and it's better for you to shred your own cheese because then it'll be fresher. But guess what, I was too lazy to do that, so I'm adding in about 1 cup of shredded cheese, and I'm just gonna add in my mozzarella cheese. That is about half cup of mozzarella cheese. And I'm just gonna grate, yes, some pepper jack cheese. And I love pepper jack cheese, like I really do. It gives it this nice spicy flavor because it contains jalapenos. I'm adding my favorite chili sauce, about 2 teaspoons of chili sauce, and I'm gonna add the macaroni to the sauce, and I'm going to just mix everything together. I'm sorry guys, I'm just getting very excited because I love macaroni and cheese and I love this recipe, and my recipe changes. Sometimes I do something a little bit different, sometimes, you know, yeah. So I'm just gonna mix everything together, and now I'm just gonna add the macaroni and cheese to the baking dish, and I'm just, well, at this point I'd forgotten to put in the mustard, so I layered everything else. So I'm gonna do this all over again. So I'm gonna put about 1 tablespoon of mustard, and I'm gonna mix it in. I'm going to bake this baby for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, okay guys? Or you can do it to your liking. So I'm adding my cheddar cheese and I'm adding my mozzarella cheese. We'll not be adding the pepper jack cheese this time, okay? We don't want our mac and cheese to be too spicy. I'm also shredding some mozzarella cheese, and now I'm just gonna put my mac and cheese into the oven. Here we go. So guys, that's it. I'm serving my baked mac and cheese with my oven jerk chicken. I'll be posting this recipe, so don't worry. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.